Can you, I give the example later, but can you destroy your DNA?
How you destroy DNA?
For example, you have a rest of skin for whatever reason. For example, sometimes you have lips that are too dry, and pieces of skin gets out of it, of the lips, and then you drop these leftovers, for example, on the stove, and they are going to burn. Is something of concern?
I don't think so, no. But since you're talking, I want to take your example, and I'm going to tell you what is it concern. So you're not allowed to bite your lips like a dry lip on Shabbos. That would be 100% forbidden. Same as we have discussed it. I'm not sure, or we did. I'm not sure. Don't remember. So since it's something that attached to a person, right? So we're not allowed to take to remove. And when we're talking about the nails, so about the nails, we said we cannot cut it with a scissors or clipper. Right? That would be the rabbinic biblical prohibition. But if somebody bites the nails, it would be rabbinical prohibition. But the skin from the lip, that's everybody bites off. Nobody takes like scissors and cut it off.
Nails will be a better example. If I wonder if it's something bad to drop them to the fire, for example.
No, there is no problem. I mean, you can throw it to the garbage. So of course you can burn it. There is no problem.
Okay.